optocouplers came in from Mouser Electronics. The Triac came from DigiKey. Well, doesn't matter. They're both superior electrical component companies. These were 48 cents, so golly gee, just get 10 of them. This is the bad one. You'll notice right there that dot. That is number 1. That corresponds to, this is number 1, right, ooh, here it is, right there. So I'm going to position that optocoupler Triac on here, then put conformal coating all over this board, avoid any connections, and put your power board, your control board back on your rack with your power board, and be done with this thing. I'm coating the control board with silicone conformal coating. This is, in my opinion, the best. It'll keep humidity, moisture, which can short out any board. You can use it on your drones to make them waterproof. It's great coating. It comes with 2 brushes, and basically you just paint it on like this. Avoid any connections. We discussed that yesterday. Anything like that. Alright. The board is fully coated in the silicone conformal coating. I'm going to start putting the lower assembly controls boards back together. Your Viking hood, blower, power board, and control board have been repaired. 100% certainty that your power board is working. Your control board, I've replaced a lot of capacitors that were a little bit on the weak side. Tested all the resistors, all the optocouplers. Your Triac, your optocoupler Triac, were defective. I did not test these transistors, which I suspect are switching MOSFETs. A pair here and a pair here under the shrink wrap. I didn't check them. But when you find something as important as a Triac and the optocoupler Triac, well, you tend to say, okay, let's replace that and see how it goes. The entire bottom of the board was coated in silicone conformal coating, and the top part, especially around the optocouplers and any of the transistors, were repaired. On the power board underneath looks like the bottom part of this, but it was coated too in conformal coating, and that's important for humidity, moisture that can result in a short. I would plug this baby into some type of surge protector. It's a fact that voltage surge destroys your Triac. So possibly during a thunderstorm you had some voltage surge. Anything that has any type of logic board or control boards needs to be plugged into some form of a surge protector. And that surge protector needs to be replaced every 3 years, even though the red and the blue light, the red and the green light are glowing, still needs to be replaced every 3 years.